Welcome everybody, this is Chef Frank, Asian Adventures here. Just wanted to show you guys what I was up to today. Making some nachos for the bar, but for nachos we're definitely going to have some good old cheese sauce. So what I got is here some grated cheddar cheese here we're going to use. We're going to make a jalapeno cheddar cheese sauce. This over here we're going to use, this is a thickener just to thicken it out, because cheese sauce usually generally sort of thin, so we're going to thicken it out with this beurre manier. Beurre manier is basically French for like equal parts butter, equal parts flour, and then we're going to go from there. Some parts I am going to speed up. I don't know how much time this is going to take up. I know your guys' time is very valuable, so let's get started, shall we? All right, we'll pop some cheese in. We're going to let that commence to melting. Since I'm a cheesehead, I kind of like putting a lot of cheese in it. Now go at it until I feel like I've got quite enough in there. I'm going to go with that, give it a little feel with the whiskey. Alright. It's not quite hot enough, but we're going to let it go. And I don't want to crank the heat on this too much because you can scorch it. And you definitely don't want to scorch cheese sauce, so you want to take this time and do what it has to do here. You really don't want to rush it. Alright, so we got that. You may need a little bit more cheese. Boom, we're going to go there with that. Alright. And this video is going to take time, but I'm going to shorten it up for you guys so you're not spending all day watching me swirl this pot. So we'll be back in just a minute to let you see where we're at. Not really exciting here, but just don't really want to burn it. So. And the beurre manier, you definitely don't want to just chuck that in there. You want to see where your sauce is, because sometimes your cheese sauce is right where you want it at. And if it's a little loose, like see how this is sort of on the loose side, you definitely will add it once all your cheese is incorporated into the liquid, which is, forgot to tell you, 1 quart of half and half, 1 quart heavy cream, salt, pepper, garlic. And we're gonna go there like that. Now, I don't know if I told you or not, this is going to be a jalapeno cheese sauce. What I'm going to do is grill off the jalapeños, slice them up, and pop them in here. I don't want to put them in here now because I haven't really done anything on the grill yet. So I'm going to do that separately. Not going to be in this video, but you'll see it at the end like that. Alright, we're getting there. Alright. It's getting there the way we want it. As far as the thickener goes, I just keep dabbing just a little bit in until we get where we want it. Don't want it too thick, don't want it too runny, so it's really a fine line of where you're putting this. So I'm trying to keep this video as short as I can, so I will make some edits to keep up with that time period for you guys. Unless you find it entertaining, just want to watch it, that's fine too. Thank you very much for that. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm trying my best to get better for you guys, send out more content, more better quality content, and yeah. I had to get a little cheap plug there, you know. And so this is definitely getting there, but I still think it's getting there. My question is, I want to add some more thickness to it. That's what I mean. You gotta watch how much you're putting in it. See, now it's where I want it, but I think it can use a little bit more thickness. So we're gonna go here like that. Remember, that's only 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of flour combined. The butter is melted, so melt the butter, then add your flour there, and give it a nice stir till it's a pasty look like that. And then incorporate it however you like and whatever you like, sauce, whether it be cheese sauce or soup or whatever. Gravy, it's great for gravy. All right. So right now we are pretty good there.
See, this is how your stuff is very.
Taste it. Now this thing is just, you know, this store is 30 years old. You think this is by me?
Talk about this.
That has never worked since I've been here.
I said dirty. How about working?
But you got to use it for it to be better.
Someone's using it.
It doesn't work. That thing don't work about that.
Well, someone's doing something. Anyway.
All right. Get a 9-minute mark. All right, we're good on the sauce at this point. So we're going to turn it off and get it out of here. All right, next time you see this sauce, it will be on a hot bar with the nachos and the meat. So I'll see you around, guys.